Welcome to All Mode Voice, End User Training. This module will explain how to make a conference call using the ConnectUC Desktop and mobile applications. If you are unfamiliar with the ConnectUC applications, or need to review, please watch the ConnectUC modules. Follow the links in the description. If you are interested in finding out more about All Mode Communications, and the products and services we offer, please visit our website, allmode.com, or feel free to call us at 877-ALL-MODE. That's 877-255-6633. To make a conference call while using the ConnectUC Desktop application, use the following procedure. While connected to a call, click the Add Call icon. Choose an internal contact, or dial an outside number. Click the Add to Call icon. The first party is automatically placed on hold. Once the second party answers, click the merge icon. The three calls are now connected. The user who initiates the conference has control over the call. If they need to split the call and speak individually with one of the connected parties, they have the ability to do so. While the conference is active, hover the mouse over the caller that requires a private conversation. Click the split call icon. The other party is placed on hold, and the user can speak privately to the specific conference participant. To resume the conference, click the merge icon, or the swap icon to speak privately to the other participant. To disconnect a particular party, click the drop icon next to the desired call. To disconnect the entire conference, press the red disconnect icon at the bottom of the active call screen. If you have further questions about All Mode Voice, or are interested in the All Mode Voice product, please send an email to voice@allmode.com. Use the following procedure to place a conference call using the ConnectUC mobile app. While on an active call, press the Add Call icon. Dial the extension number, or outside number, and press Add Call at the bottom of the screen. The first call is automatically placed on hold. When the second call answers, press the merge icon on the screen. The calls are now connected, and all parties may converse. If you enjoy our YouTube videos, click the like button, and hit the subscribe button in order to view our latest training videos. Press the notification bell to be notified of new videos, and leave a comment if you find this content helpful, or have other suggestions for training videos. Press the View Callers option on the top of the screen to view the individual calls. To speak with a party individually, press the split icon on that particular call. Press the merge icon to resume the conference, or the swap icon to speak privately to the other party. The back selection returns the display to the main options menu for additional choices. To disconnect an individual party, choose the Hang Up option for that particular call, on the Viewed Calls page. To disconnect the entire conference call, press the red Hang Up icon at the bottom of the main screen. This concludes this module of All Mode Voice, End User Training. Thank you for watching. Have a wonderful day.